Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, look at the windsock. Okay.
I know you've already seen the thumbnail, and it's not exactly a normal day. What it is, my buddy Rick's with me due to life stuff. He hasn't been able to come ride very much, and he sure hasn't been to the bike park. If you know me or been around me or ridden with me, then you've probably met my good friend Rick too. So the goal for today is to try to get Rick warmed back up to bike park riding, feeling good, and then this afternoon, I want to try to ride some of the bigger features that I've ridden before, and just to try to burn them in. I did break a small bone in my wrist about a month ago, and I'm not real keen on trying anything new today, so it's a perfect day. We can just have a good time, ride the trails we already know, and not take no risks. To start with, we warm up on our Mucci, which is the perfect choice. Next, to kind of get back in the bike park kind of things, we did a couple laps on Simple Green. And I got to tell you, it's a green trail, but I really like it. The dirt was a little drier and looser today than last time I was here, but it's still good, man. Here's a public service announcement. If you do happen to come upon a slower rider on trail, just back off of them, don't pressure them up, and use it to work out, just like this. In my last video from here, I talked about how they're making improvements and making the park better all the time. Check this out. It's like an 80-foot skinny. And no, there's no POV footage of me doing it.
Dude, you got it. That's sick. Yeah.
With Rick feeling comfy, he decided he was ready to start jumping, so double wide it is. I haven't actually rode it much lately, the past couple of trips. I'm not really sure why. It's such a good trail, and it does have like my favorite straightaway of all time.
was fun. What's wrong?
Broke it.
Broke what?
The shoe.
The shoe?
See it right there?
Oh, yeah. Huh. I did the same thing to mine, remember?
And with that done, it's time to get on to some real jumping. Senior discount.
One more. Okay. You good?
And with the wind howling, we dropped into air supply. I felt like that wasn't too bad, so I'm going to go on to Kids Eat Free. This is the one that I'm trying to normalize, make it the new normal.
That was scary. That wind at the beginning. Eaten by the carpet.
All right, Rick, we'll see you down there. You missed a turn. Oh. Okay. Yeah, boy. I got blown a little on the last one. Oh yeah, look at the windsock. But it was fine. That's a solid lap. That terrifies me.
Since I'm here, I might as well hit this new 4-pack. They call it the Quad, I think. And I'm really trying to get a nose bonk on the third one.
Yeah, they changed that.
I did learn something today. If you spend the majority of the day riding flow trails and jumps, it is really hard to convert over to chunky rough trails like this at the very end of the day. Knowing good and well that my wrist is not the strongest thing right now is probably wasn't the best idea, but we ran one lap through it, called it good.
So slow. You good? That's a wrap on this day. It's been a good day, but it's crazy windy and I've had enough. Good part of the day is that Rick came out, finally started back riding his bike.
And just like that, we've done 14 laps with my good friend I hadn't rode with in quite a while. I'm glad to have him back. The point is, if you got a friend you ain't ridden with in a while, give them a call. See if you can get them out back on their bike, having good times. Maybe they need it. Maybe it's like Rick, he bought a new house and he's been busy. It's nothing been wrong per se. And he really don't like cold, so he was kind of good with taking the winters off. But spring is here. Get out there and ride your bike, and maybe I'll see you there.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought.